Welcome to the class. Let's start. Stand straight. Legs together. Hands along with the body. We will start with the neck exercise. Exhaling. Bring head down. Chin at the throat cavity. You can keep your hands at the waistline if you could. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Head touching the backbone. Lift chin a little more up. Exhaling down. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate right and left. Inhaling, turn right. Chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. You can use your left hand to push it further. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Inhaling, turn left. Chin and the left shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. You can use your right hand to push it further back. Exhaling, come to center. Now, inhaling, turn right. Right ear on the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Try to lift chin a little more up so that ear can reach the shoulder. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Try to lift chin a little more up towards right. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. We will rotate 2 more times. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Now we will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Now both the hands forward rotation. Make sure when hands goes up, shoulders coming closer to the ears and elbows are straight throughout the rotation. Keep the hands in stretched position. And then reverse. Make sure entire hand is in stretched position, elbows straight, shoulders coming closer to the ears. Even when hands going back or coming down, elbows should be straight. Relax. Now alternate hands, lift them from front up and down and stretch them at both the ends. Relax. Now keep both the palms on the shoulder. Elbows at the front. Join both the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Now join the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Keeping the elbows together, slowly bring them down and leave it. Again join them at the top, bring them down and leave it. One more time, join them at the top, bring them down and leave it. Now join them at the bottom, bring them up and leave it. Again join them at the bottom, bring them straight up and then leave it. One more time, join them at the bottom, bring them up and leave it. Now from sideways, lift the shoulders up and down. From shoulder to elbow should be straight. Body should straight, only shoulders should move up and down. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward, palms looking down. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Similarly, up and down. There should be a jerk when you pull them and lock the elbows at the front. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward, palms looking down. Now lift the palms up, stretch them back, fingers looking up and you are stretching them back. Slowly bring them down. Even when they are coming down, try to stretch them. Again, take them back, down, back. Now join the fingers. Now bend back and join the wrist. Again join the fingers, join the wrist, join the fingers. Now make a fist of the hand and rotate the wrist inwards 3-4 times and then outwards 3-4 times. Now from shoulder to fingers, shake the entire hand randomly. Relax. Now keep little distance between both the legs, hands at the waistline. Now rotate only abdomen clockwise. Only abdomen should get rotated clockwise 3-4 times. And then anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Now keep right hand straight forward, palm looking down. Try to keep it at the shoulder level or the little more than shoulder height. Now with the right hand, right leg, try to reach your right feet towards the right hand while exhaling. Right hand with right leg. Similarly, now left hand with left leg. Now right hand with left leg. Left hand with right leg. Relax. keep both the hands on the knees, both legs together. Exhaling, bend the knees forward as much as possible and slowly straighten them. Bend them forward and straighten them. Again, bend them forward, straighten them. Now rotate the knees. Make a bigger circle, clockwise 3-4 times, anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Bend maximum when they come forward, straighten them when they go back. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Now, hands at the waistline. Lift the right leg. Rotate right leg ankle. Clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Now left leg. Clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Sit on the asana. Sit on the mat. We will do preparation for Padmasana. Both the legs together. Hands on the knees. Those who have severe backache don't bend forward in any asanas. Now rest of them, exhaling, bend forward and see you are surpassing the hands towards the toes, forehead coming closer to the knees while exhaling. Relax. Now fold the right leg. Place the ankle on the left knee. Keep back and neck straight. With the right hand, try to push your right knee towards the floor. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. One more time. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Now, catch hold of your knee with right hand, ankle with left hand. Move it horizontal, maximum towards right. Bring your knee towards right. Take it back as much as possible. Make sure the other leg is straight and stretched. Now catch hold of the toe with the left hand. Bring the heel close to you while inhaling. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now holding the toe with the left hand while exhaling, bring the toe close to the left ear without bending the head. Whatever possible, just do it. But make sure you are not bending the head. Head is straight. Toe is coming closer to the ear. Exhaling. Slowly normalize the right leg. We will do all this with the left leg. Fold the left leg. Place the ankle on the right knee. Keeping neck and back straight. With the left hand, try to push your left knee towards the floor. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring it close to the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. One more time. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Now Catch hold of the ankle with right hand, knee with left hand. Move it horizontal. Maximum towards left. Make sure right leg is straight and stretched. Now hold the toe with right hand. Bring the heel close to you while inhaling. While exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now, bring the toe close to the right ear without bending the head while exhaling. Whatever maximum, do it, but don't bend the head. Exhaling, normalize the leg. Now we will sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel close to the left side of the navel on the left thigh. Now fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg, so that both the heels are close to each other. Both the knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other. Remaining 3 fingers looking down. Now place the wrist on the knees. Elbows close to the body. We will normalize the breathing with deep and long breathing. First exhale. Slowly. As slow as possible. Slowly but completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Then apply Mulban. Pulling up of the perineal muscles is Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently. Deep inhalation up to the throat. Holding the breath inside, again apply Mulban. Relax Mulban, normalize the breath. This is one round. Repeat 2 more times. I'll repeat 1 more time. Slowly exhale, as slow as possible. Slowly but completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. The root of the navel should touch the spine inside. You should feel that root of the navel touches the spine. Then apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Relax Mulban, normalize the breath and then repeat 1 more time. Relax. Once you are done with 3 rounds, relax. We will chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri Mantra. Inhale, mouth into circular shape. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Bhuvasya Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support of your hands, try to get up. Those who cannot, come on to the knees and then get up. We will do Vrikshasana. Both the legs together, hands along with the body. Now fold the right leg, place the heel close to the thigh joint. Make sure entire feet is on the thighs, toes looking down. Those who cannot, try to place it wherever it is comfortable except the knees. Now if you are comfortable, make sure your right knee is looking towards right. Now inhaling, take both the hands up, join both the palms at the top. Now try to focus on any object in front of you. Those who are comfortable, they can close the eyes. Initially it is difficult. If you close the eyes, you may lose the balance.
Okay, I'll watch.
Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from sideways and normalize the leg. We'll do it with left leg. Now fold the left leg, place the heel close to the thigh joint, toe looking down, left knee completely looking towards left. Now inhaling, take both the hands up, join both the palms. Now start focusing on any object in front of you. The wavering mind will stabilize. Balanced decisions will be taken if you practice this daily. The memory power will improve. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from sideways and normalize the leg. Relax. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana, leaving 2/3 behind. Heels together, toes apart. Hands along with the body, neck and back straight. First come to Namaskar Mudra, join both the palms, root of the thumb at the chest cavity, wrist to elbow straight and parallel to the floor. Elbows close to the body. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Shoulders close to the ears. Now inhaling, bend back from the cervical. Head and neck goes back a little. Shoulders should go to the extent ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra behind the throat on the spine. Exhaling, shoulders along with the ears, slowly bend forward. Those who have severe backache, don't bend forward in any asanas. Rest of them, slowly bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor beside the feet. If you are able to touch the fingers, completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can place the entire palm on the floor. Forehead coming closer to the knees, but make sure knees are straight. Concentration at Manipur Chakra behind the navel on the spine. Even if you are not able to touch the fingers on the floor, that's fine. Make sure shoulders are along with the ears. Knees are straight. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Right knee in close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Left leg should be 90 degrees between both the hands. Swadhisthana Chakra will get activated behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Blood circulation will be normal in this position. All lower abdomen organs at the right side will get torn up. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs. Head inside chin at the throat cavity. Now go back and try to place the heels on the floor. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra at the crown of the head. Bad blood will gush towards the heart for purification. Purified blood will go to the brain. Brain function will improve. Sciatica related problems will reduce. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor. Elbow straight, knee straight. Entire body is in inclined position. Now place the knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor, palms close to the chest, elbows looking up. Lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift lower abdomen a little. Concentration at Anahata Chakra behind the heart on the spine. Due to magnetic effect of the earth, heart function will improve. Memory power will improve. Inhaling, pushing body forward, straighten the elbows. Now bend back from navel, knees together, knees on the floor, toes in standing position, and bend back from the navel. Concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, at the tip of the spine. Even if you have a back pain, this will help reduce the back pain. Entire spinal cord will get torn up. Respiratory system will get torn up. Your lower back will get strengthened. Exhaling, lift yourself up. Go back and try to place the heels on the floor again. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra at the crown of the head. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. You can take help of your hand to bring right hand to 90 degrees. Left knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Insulin production will be normal in this position. Diabetic related issues will reduce. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, bend forward and try to place the palms on the floor beside the feet. Forehead coming closer to the knees. Up to your capacity again. If you cannot place the palms on the floor, try to touch the fingers on the floor. Make sure knees are straight. Manipur Chakra will get activated behind the navel on the spine. Shoulders along with the ears. Slowly lift yourself up. And bend back from the cervical. Vishuddhi Chakra will get activated behind the throat on the spine. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on your backbone. Relax. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Normalize the breath. And recollect all the asanas which we have done, all chakras which got activated with your mental eye. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Bring the hands towards the head on the floor at the shoulder width. Now make sure both the legs are together, toes in stretching position. Now inhaling, stretch the body in opposite direction. From navel, stretch both legs and the hands in opposite direction, as if two people are pulling in opposite direction. Stretch maximum and then normal breathing. Don't reduce the stretch. Try to increase the stretch. All 206 bones get stretched. 72,000 nerves will get torn up. If you practice this morning, entire day you will be active and alert. In old days, you will not get shivering problem. Relax. Just relax your elbows and the toes. Normalize the breath. We will do Navasana. Join both the legs. Again, those who has severe back pain, do it up to your capacity. Keeping toes in stretching position, hands in stretching position without bending the knees. Inhaling, lift the legs and bring it towards the head on the floor. Make sure knees are straight. Exhaling, bend forward and see if your hands are surpassing the toes, forehead coming closer to the knees. Roll on your backbone. Gently roll on your back. Make sure shoulders coming along with the ears. Don't hit the ground with your back. Gently roll on your backbone. All abdominal organs will get torn up. Excess fat at the back will reduce. Abdominal fat will reduce. Relax. Come to sitting position and then relax. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Keep your hands behind the hips. Look up, close your eyes. Normalize the breath. We'll do Konasana. Join both the legs. Bring the hands close to the hips behind the back. Now taking support of your hands and the heels without bending the knees, toes in stretching position. Inhaling, lift the central part of the body up. Make sure knees are straight and you can suspend the head at the back. In the final stage, normal breathing, but make sure you are still lifting your body up and try to place the toes on the floor. Entire feet should touch the floor. Shoulders will get strengthened. If you have a back pain, this will help reduce the back pain. Entire respiratory system will get torn up. Even in the normal breathing, try to lift yourself up. If you cannot hold anymore, exhaling, slowly come back. Try to take longer time to come back, as slow as possible. Even when you are coming back, knees should be straight, toes in stretching position. Then relax in Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards right. Fold both the legs in one go from left. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between the heels. Neck and back straight. Palms on the knees. Elbows close to the body. Vajrasana will help improve the digestion capacity. Since blood circulation is stopped at the legs, the entire blood circulation will be at the abdomen area, which will help improve the digestion capacity. Backbone will become like a diamond. Since we are sitting straight, it will get strengthened. Slowly lie down on the abdomen. We will do Dhanurasana. Lie down on your abdomen, hands along with the body, chin on the ground, both the legs together. We will do little variations today on Dhanurasana. First, fold the right leg, catch hold of the right leg with your right hand, all 5 fingers looking the other side, opposite direction. Now, inhaling, lift the right leg up as much as possible without lifting the head. This way, we can practice to lift the legs up. Exhaling, slowly bring the leg back. Normalize the right leg. Now, fold the left leg. Catch hold of the left ankle with the left hand. Inhaling, lift the left leg up maximum. In the final stage, normal breathing in any asana. In the normal breathing, when you are lifting up, every time when you inhale, try to lift a little more up. Exhaling, slowly bring the leg back. Normalize both the legs. Now we will do final stage. Now fold both the legs. Catch hold of the respective ankles. Inhaling, lift both the legs up, also the head up to the navel. Lift yourself up, normal breathing, but try to bring the heels close to the head and bend back. Even if you have a back pain, this will help reduce the back pain. Exhaling, slowly come back. Relax in Sithilasana left side. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Left hand along with the body. Right leg, right hand folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes. Little away from the face. In the form of mirror image of uppercase of L. Both the lung gloves on the floor. Even your right thigh should touch the floor. Sithilasana left side will normalize low blood pressure. Bring the right hand straight under the head, turning from right, come on to the backbone. We will do Pavan Muktasana. Now fold the right leg, catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Make sure the other leg is straight and stretched. Inhale, holding the breath, bring the knee close to the chest, as close as possible. All toxins and excess gas will get released. Exhaling, lift the head and see if your nose, tip of the nose touches the knee, right knee. Squeeze yourself from right leg and right hand. Exhaling, normalize the leg, also the head. Now fold the left leg, catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Make sure right leg is straight and stretched. Now inhale, Holding the breath inside, pull the left knee towards the chest. Now exhaling, lift the head and see the tip of the nose touches the left knee. Slowly exhaling, relax. We will do little variation today in Pavan Muktasana. Now fold both the legs. Keep them in 90 degrees, L shape. Now take both the hands under the head. Clasp the hands, interlock the fingers. Now lift the head, keeping the legs over there. Try to reach your elbows towards the knees. Go back and bring forward. When you go back, place the head on the floor. When you lift yourself up, bring the elbows close to the knees. Do it at least 5 times. Keeping the legs in 90 degrees. Legs should not come forward. Excess fat at the abdomen area will get reduced. Now, keeping the legs over there, lift from the head, lift your head and see if right elbow coming closer to the left knee. Left elbow going to the right knee. So do it 5 times. The side fat will get reduced at the abdomen area. Slowly relax. Keep both the legs on the floor, hands along with the body. Now fold both the legs. Catch hold of both the legs with both the hands. Interlock the fingers. Now inhale. Bring both the knees close to the chest while holding the breath inside. Squeeze yourself. While exhaling, lift the head and see forehead is coming between the knees. Normal breathing here. Now, keeping the knees close to the chest, forehead close to the knees. Now roll on your back. When you come forward, see if your toes, entire feet is touching the floor. When you go back, head is touching the floor. Roll gently on your backbone. Nice massage will happen to the backbone. Even excess fat at the back will reduce. Lower abdominal organs will get toned up. Now placing the head on the floor, keeping the knees close to the chest. Now roll on your sideways. When you go to the sides, make sure legs are touching the floor and coming back. Head should not be lifted. It should be on the floor. Slowly come to the center. Relax. Relax in Shavasana. Keep both the hands along with the body. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Normalize the breath. Entire body is in relaxed position. Now start scanning. Relaxed body with your mental eye. From right leg toe to head and head to left leg toe. Each and every part of the body, scan with your mental eye. Shavasana has so many benefits. If you have a wavering mind, it will normalize. High BP, low BP, any tensions, all of them will get normalized. Entire body will get relaxed. Turning from right, come and sit in relaxed position or sit in Padmasana. If you cannot sit in Padmasana, sit in either Sukhasana or Ardha Padmasana or Vajrasana, whichever comfortable for you. Hands in Jnana Mudra, we'll go for Pranayama. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, thumb and index finger gently touching each other, remaining 3 fingers looking down, wrist on the knees. Right hand in Pranayama Mudra, we'll go for Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Fold first 2 fingers, place them at the root of the thumb, remaining 2 fingers straight, elbow close to the body. Now, thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left nostril. Close the right nostril with your thumb, right thumb. Now, slowly inhale from left nostril as slow as possible. You should not hear your own sound when you are inhaling or exhaling. That much slow inhalation should happen. Inhale slowly up to the grim. Apply Mulban, pulling up of the perineal muscles is Mulban. Immediately release Mulban. Release your right nostril. Start slowly exhaling as slow as possible. Completely exhale. Holding breath outside, apply Mulban. Release Mulban. Start inhaling slowly from right nostril. Inhale up to the grim, holding the breath inside. Again apply Mulban. Release Mulban. Start exhaling from left nostril. Completely exhale. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Mulban. Release Mulban. Normalize the breath. This is 1 round. Repeat 2 more times. We are inhaling from left, holding the breath inside, apply Mulban. Exhaling from right, holding breath outside, again apply Mulban. Release Mulban, start inhaling from right, hold breath inside, apply Mulban. Release it and then exhale from left. As slow as possible. Inhalation and exhalation should be equal length. Those who has asthma or high blood pressure, you can avoid applying Mulban. Once you complete the rounds, relax. Don't stop in between. We will go for Ujjayi Pranayam. Once you are done, relax. Now both the hands in Jnana Mudra. Now fold the tongue. Place the tip of the tongue at the upper palate. Then close the lips. Now inhale slowly. Inhale up to the grim. Then apply Molband. Hold for some time. While exhaling, make melodious voice as if you are snoring. Make sure you are exhaling again from the throat. Your lips are closed. You are making the snoring voice, snoring sound. Even when you are inhaling, you can make a snoring sound. Little difficult. Those who can do it, even while inhaling, you can make snoring sound. This will tone up the entire respiratory system. Any infection at the throat will get released. I will repeat one more time. Hold the tongue. Place the tip of the tongue at the upper palate. Then close the lips. Now inhale through both the nostrils. Apply Molband. Release Molband, and then while exhaling, make a snoring sound. Completely exhale. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Molband. Hold for some time. Release Molband. Normalize the breath, and then repeat 2 more times. Once you complete, relax. Don't stop in between. We'll go for meditation. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. We will chant Om 1:1 ratio, medium pace. You can listen to me for 2 times and then join. Om, 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 Om. Chant Om internally.
Slowly start focusing on the breathing, the tip of the nose. Just observe inhalation and exhalation with your mental eye. Travel along with the inhalation. Slowly come out with exhalation. Slowly start focusing on the thoughts. Don't stop the thoughts. Don't involve in them. Let them come and go. Just observe as a spectator. With regular practice, thoughts will become zero. That's the starting point for self-realization. Even if you get few seconds, few moments in that state, it will be great. And we will chant Om loudly once and then go for Mrityunjay mantra. Inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanam Mrityo Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in the state for some time. Gently steer your eyelids with fingertips. Open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch the toes forward and back. Right and left. Rotate them clockwise. Anti-clockwise. With this, we can come.